Mamaya na, boo. Mamaya na. So, yun lang. Hey yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video, another activity video. Vlog ko to ulit. Guess what? Kanina ko lang nalaman na gagawa pala ng video. Sa sobrang daming pinapagawa, namalayan ko yung ibang subject. Char, daming drama. Ngayon, ang gagawin ko ngayon is I'm making a documentary physical fitness test, I guess. But it's a documentary para makita lang na ginagawa ko yung mga activity na yun. Wala akong clue. Hindi ko alam kung paano yun gagawin. Kung may voice over pa ba o papakita ko na lang na ginagawa ko yun. Well, let my brain activates the creativity. Sa bandang gitna ng video na to, may kita nyo yung ginawa kong masterpiece. Kaya ako lang binag to kasi para makita yung behind the scenes. Kung paano ko to gagawin. And if this is the first time you're watching me, hi, I'm Ems Dizon. Hi. Good hands. And also, happy 130 million. Char. 100,000. Char. Hindi, 130 subscribers. Hi sa inyo. Welcome to the family. My family. Ayan, mga kamag-anak ko, mga kaibigan ko, mga best friend ko, mga kaklase ko. Hi sa inyo. Lumalawak na ang populasyon natin. Karinig niya yun. Asa ko. Kasali siya sa subscribers ko. Tsaka sa mga videos ko rin. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click the notification bell so you can notify every time I post. So yeah, let's start the fitness test. Hello everyone, my name is Ems Dizon and I am from the SBA major in marketing section 2B, and this is my documentary physical fitness test. Hello guys! So first, I'm going to take my height and weight before we get started the activity. This will be my body composition. So for the procedure, you need a tape measure and a flat surface wall. Stand with your feet flat on the floor with your heels against the corner where the wall and floor meet. Make sure you take off your rubber shoes. By lining the wall with pencil and measure it with tape measure, you will know your real height. My height now is 5'3". Next is I'm going to take my weight. Taking your weight must have a weighting scale. You should also take off your shoes by doing this. As you can see, my weight is 57. So overall result for my height is 53 and my weight is 57. Next is my cardiovascular endurance. Rate my heartbeat first. Since I cannot feel the pulse through my arms, I'm gonna use the neck because it is easier for me to recognize my heartbeat. Take a 1 minute, then start counting. Count until the 1 minute is over, then you will know your heartbeat by seconds. My heart rate before the activity is 89. Afterwards, I will proceed now to 3-minute step test. You should have a 12 inches to step into it and stopwatch. Right foot step is starting the time. This improves overall fitness by building strength, reducing fat, and boosting your cardiovascular health. This is designed to measure a person's aerobic fitness. Participants step up and down on off anaerobics. Type step for 3 minutes increasing heart rate and to evaluate in heart's recovery rate during the minute immediately following the step test exercise. After I finish, I check immediately my heart rate and starts to count. My heart rate is 162. Next is testing by strength, which I'm gonna be tested by push-ups. You need to have a placemats in order to have a base and get down on all fours. Placing your hands slightly wider than your shoulders. Straighten your arms and legs. And also if you are a boy, you have to straighten your body. But if you are a girl, you need to do the knee push-ups. Lower your body until your chest nearly touch the floor. Pause, then push yourself back up. And repeat. Count your push-ups until you can. By doing my strengths, I did 26 push-ups. It is hard for me, but thankfully, I did my best. Next is flexibility, which I be tested by sit and reach. You need the tape measure and something you will be lined by 15 centimeters. As you can see, heels is the end of the centimeters line. This activity has 3 trials. Afterwards, you have to reach as much as you can to measure it. I don't have any assistance, so I will tap it hard so I can see the results. My first trial is 40 centimeters. My second is 50 centimeters. My third is 40 centimeters. For the part 2 of the fitness test, there's agility that I'll be tested by shuttle run. Need a 30 feet large place, stopwatch, and 2 objects. Make sure it is in the line and yourself also. This activity have 2 trials. You need to run to get the object to another place and place it on yours. This help develop your acceleration, speed, and your anaerobic fitness. The first trial, my time is 11.32 seconds. And for my second is 10.99. Wow. Another activity is power, tested by standing long jump. You just need a tape measure for this. The performer bounced and took several steps before jumping. Both feet of the performer are not parallel at the takeoffs. I don't have any assistance, that's why I should step pause to see the results and count it. And count it into the last edge of my heel. My first trial is 160 centimeters and my second trial is 150 centimeters. For the last part is coordination test by curl-ups. You need to have a floor mat and tape with 12 centimeters. You need to lift and overpass the tape. Same time that both hands should touch it. You can count as much as you can, and if the person is no longer take it, the count ends. Curl-ups are performed in the crook lying, spine position by lifting the head, arms, and upper trunk from the floor. My count overall is 37. Now I have done all the physical fitness tests. I should now calculate it all. Start with my cardiovascular endurance. 3-minute step test where before the activity, I have 89 heartbeat. But after the activity, I get 162. And every trial, you have to get the highest score. For my regular push-up, for males, I take 26 push-up. It means I'm very good. For my sit and reach, I get 50 centimeters. Which means I'm classified as very good. For my agility shuttle run, first trial, I make 11.32 seconds. For the second trial, 10.99 seconds. For my standing long jump, get 160 meters, which is classified as very good. For my curl-ups, I get 37 curl-ups, which I'm classified as excellent. For the last one, my body composition, for my height, I get 53. And for my weight is 57. By using the formula, or body mass index is equivalent to 20.4, which means I'm classified as normal. So that's it for my physical fitness test. Bye! I should now calculate them all. 20.4, which means I'm classified as normal. Shoota. Ito yung kinuha ko para dun sa cardiovascular endurance. Kasi sakto to for 12 inches. Yan, sakto yan. Kaya ito yung kinuha ko. Ang dami kong nilibot dito sa aking bahay. Tapos dito ko lang pala makikita sa upuan na to. Nusod ko pa. Ayun palang nagagawa ko. Girl, I'm strong. Period. Period! Period! Pagod. Mas gusto ko pa mag-planking kaysa mag-push up. Hindi talaga. Hindi talaga kaya. Planking na lang. Nahamon ko kayo. Ito nakakadagal pa ako. 8 minutes. Sa push up, hindi talaga.
lahat ng exercise, ayoko ng push-up. Kahit pang babae pa gawin ko. Hindi talaga. Nangingiliti. Na okay na yun, naku. Mamatay ako sa inyo. Pangalawa pa lang yan. Ay, wait lang. Ay! Ako! Ayoko na. Ha? So guys, hi. Natapos ko na rin sa wakas at ayun, nakita niyo yung BMI ko. Yeah. At kamusta? Inabot ako ng umaga. Buhay pa. May dugo pa ba? Itong proof. Gising na silang lahat. So yun lang guys. Hindi ko na to papahabain pa. Yung mga nakita nyo kanina, mga strategy ko yun kung paano ko nasukat yung aking mga activity. Magagawa naman ng paraan kahit na yung parang alam mo yun, tansya-tansya na lang kung gaano kalayo, ganun. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoy and like it. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you can notify every time I post. And also don't forget to follow me in my social media accounts. TikTok. So yun lang guys. See you guys on the next activity video. Bye! Mamatay ako sa inyo. Mamatay ako sa inyo. Mamatay ako sa inyo.